Webforms are a great way to have structured data sent to your Podio apps from an external website. For this example, I'm running a design award and I need people to submit their entries for the award for my team to review and discuss. In this Podio workspace, I've created an app called Submissions. This is how it looks. I have fields in the app for applicants to create their submissions and extra fields that we'll just use internally. Now I'll enable the app's web form. I click the wrench icon and choose web form. On the left, I have a preview of how my web form will look. On the right, the options for how the web form is configured. The most important step is to choose the fields that will be displayed in the web form. For example, the fields called Review Stage and Entrance Status are just for my team, so I'll deselect them here. Then, I'll give the form a title and description. I can select a theme or use CSS to style the web form to suit an existing website. I can enable capture, spam prevention, and customize the button used to submit the form. I can also add a success message that will be shown to people once they've done this. When I'm happy with these settings, I click Save and Share, and the form is ready to use. I have the option of embedding the form on domains that I choose, or to have Podio host this form on a web page, and link to this page from our own website, from email campaigns, or social media. The link for the web form is also available here, below the embed code. If I click it, I can see how the form looks, and as an example, I'll complete the form and submit it. Once this is done, here's how the first submission appears in the app in Podio. Now my team's work can really begin, changing the status, adding comments, and more. You've seen how I created a web form in minutes. Give it a try yourself and see how you can streamline everything from sales inquiries, job applications, event management, and much more with your own Podio web forms. If you need a hand, visit us at help.podio.com and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.